In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add user in Bitbucket repository. Whether you're welcoming a new teammate or granting temporary access to a contractor, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what each permission level means so you can collaborate confidently. To follow along, make sure your account has admin rights on the repository. With only read or write access, these access controls may be hidden or unavailable. First, open your browser and head to bitbucket.org. Once you're on the site and in your workspace, you're ready to add access. Next, choose the repository you want to share. In the left sidebar or the repositories list, click the repository name to open it. You should land on the repository overview where you can see files, branches, and pull requests for that project. Look toward the upper right corner of the repository page for the invite option. Depending on the interface version, it may appear as invite or add people, but it will be in that top area. Click it to open the access panel. Inside the panel, choose Add Users or Groups. This option lets you grant access to individual collaborators or to existing workspace groups if your team organizes permissions that way. Adding a group can save time when multiple people need the same level of access. Now enter the user's Bitbucket username or the email associated with their Bitbucket account. As you type, Bitbucket typically suggests matching accounts. Double check you've selected the correct person, especially if several users have similar names. Next, set the permission level. Read gives view-only access, perfect for stakeholders who just need to browse code or review documentation. Write allows pushing commits, creating branches, and working with pull requests, which is ideal for most developers. Admin provides full control, including changing repository settings and managing access. Reserve admin for trusted maintainers because it includes the ability to modify critical configuration. When everything looks right, click Confirm. Bitbucket will send the invitation and the user will appear in the access list. If the invite is pending, it simply means they haven't accepted yet. You can revisit this panel at any time to adjust their permission level or remove access if needs change. That's it. You've successfully added a user to a Bitbucket repository. Keep your project secure by granting the least privilege necessary and review access periodically, especially after role changes or when a project wraps up. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.